Make a great choice today with the 2021 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, four-wheel drive, cruise control, anti-theft security system, dual zone climate control, trailer brake controller. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.